Hello, West Claremont students. Hola! I miss giving all of you high fives every day as you walk by my room. I hope that you are enjoying some time at home and are staying safe with your family and staying extra healthy. Today, I wanted to go over how you are going to view your choice boards from here on out and some of the requirements. So, um, the first week, you were required to do 6 activities. For the following weeks from here on out, you are only going to be required to do 5 activities. The first week, you had to pick one from each column. From here on out, you may choose any column and any amount from that column, and you only have to do 5 activities total. So, for instance, I might choose 3 Explore World activities and 2 art activities, and I would be done. I might choose 3 E activities, 3 PE activities, 1 art activity, and 1 technology activity. If I'm in band and choir, I'm going to want to choose all 3 music ones because I want to make sure that I am building those skills so that when I go into the next year of band or the next year of choir, that I have all of those foundational skills ready and set for the following year. So if you're in band and choir, make sure you're choosing the music one so that you're ready for the following year. All right, now that we've covered how much you need to do and how to do those things, I'm going to show you where to find them in Schoology. So if you click on your courses, you're going to see a new class called Encore Choice. This class is where you are going to be looking for all of your Encore classes. So it's no longer called PE, it's no longer called Explore World, it's no longer called Art, whatever Encore you have. It's now called Encore Choice, and that is where you will find the choice board for all of the Encore activity options. So if you click Encore Choice, every single class is going to have a folder called Distance Learning. You're going to click on Distance Learning, and then you'll click on the week 1 or week 2 choice board, whichever one you are trying to access. If you did not complete your week 1 choice board, you're going to need to complete week 1 and week 2 for this coming week. So you'll do week 1 choice board or week 2 choice board, whichever one you haven't done. You'll click My Document. If you have not logged in before, you'll need to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, it'll ask you to allow Schoology to use your Google Drive. You want to click Allow. Once you've allowed Schoology and Google Drive to communicate to each other, then you'll be able to see that document pop up right in Schoology. Each of the choices has either a link or some sort of activity that you're going to want to complete. Let's say that I choose that I want to do health option 2. I'm going to click on that link that takes me to a Google Doc. I click make a copy so that I don't edit my teacher's copy, I edit my own copy. And then I want to answer all of the questions in this worksheet. So question 1, think about the thought of the day. Do you agree or disagree with the statement below? So then I would say, I agree with the statement because, and then whatever my answer is. When I have finished all of the questions, I'm going to click Share. And then there's a part that says Get Shareable Link. You'll click on that. You'll know that you've copied it because it says Copied to Clipboard, and then this green link turns green, or this link icon turns green. You'll click Done. You'll go back to your choice board, And where it says Student Submission Board, you'll find where it says Health. And you'll want to insert that link. You can do that by doing Control V, or you can go up to Edit, Paste. And this is what the control sign looks like, and then the symbol for V. Once you've done that, then this link will be viewable by your teacher. Now, some of them ask you to upload a list of items or to upload a link. So let's say I chose music and I want to talk about the first choice for music is to find 4 or 5 objects in your home that could be instruments. So let's say I choose pots and pans because they kind of sound like drums. I choose a pop bottle because it can be played like a flute. I choose, I don't know, come up with your whole list. You need 5 of them. So then you come up with your whole list and you just type them right on here to make it easy. If you want to add bullet points, you can come up here and add bullet points. However you want to make that list, that's all you have to do. You can choose however many you want to do from each section. So like if I want to do all 3 musics, I can do all 3 musics. I have to do a total of 5. So I can do 3 from one category, and then I would have to pick 2 others. But you have to do a total of 5. It doesn't matter which section they come from. If you have questions about that, please feel free to reach out to your Encore Choice teacher and have your Encore Choice teacher help you out with that. If they don't know the answer right away, they will most certainly ask and they will get back to you. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Ask each other. Your friends might know how to do some of this stuff too. So just ask around, make sure you get your answer. And if your teacher doesn't respond, maybe message them again because there's probably a lot of students messaging them. So make sure that they saw your message. Your teachers have all put their emails in there, but you can also message them on Schoology. So if you need help with it, make sure you reach out to your teacher, ask a friend, and we are looking forward to grading your assignments. Can't wait to see what you guys do. Have fun. Have a good day.